Hello guys, here is my next video how to unlock GPP. Today lot of people are addicted to iPhones but still they don't know. They are spending lot of money on iPhones and repair shops and service center. They don't need to spend lot of money now onwards after you watch this video completely.
Today I'm going to show how to activate iOS 12.3 above. As you know, currently iOS 12.3 currently blocked the ICCA editing mode. So in order to do the ICCA, you need to go to the another open line for our factory unlocked iPhone and then a smartphone which has an internet connection, because you need to go to the website to get the ICCA ID. Okay, and then this is the iPhone which you want to activate GPP, and this is the latest GPP. And let's see here. Put the GPP smoothly and then put this SIM card in it, and you can see here, once you put in, it will go to the activation screen, but we don't have the internet. So first I can show you one more thing. Star 5005 star 7672 star 00 hash. This is the ICCA entry menu, but it's currently blocked in iOS 12.3. So what we need is, we need to put this SIM card here and we are going to activate. Let's see it here. SIM card, GPP chip, and then this is the SIM tray. I will show you clearly right here. Okay, and then as you can see here, you got the network here. You can go to the ICCA mode by two methods. First method, just go to settings and then go to the phone menu and then go to the SIM application, and then you can see ICCA edit. So you can go here, you can enter this 20-digit number here. So I will show you another method. Go to dialing, dial star 5005 star 7672 star 00 hash, then enter. You can see this is the ICCA entry menu, and here edit ICCA, and here you dial this 20 digits ICCA number which I already copied. So in order to save the time, you can see this is the 20 digits number here, and then once done, just press send. Once you send, just accept. Okay, and then just remove the SIM card and the GPP and transfer to the phone you want to activate. Just transfer here. Just transfer it here. You can see steady mode, and I don't have Wi-Fi here, so I'm going to use my other network Wi-Fi, my hotspot. Sure. This is my open line phone. I'm going to share my hotspot. Here. Yeah, personal hotspot. Go into here. Wait. But tokenness. As you can see here, I'm going to use my iPhone's Wi-Fi. ATOKNESS. As you can see, this is the method. As you can see, this is the method you can activate GPP for the latest iOS above 12.3 above. You can use any chip, but we make sure use the latest GPP Lite chips, because these chips has the latest advantages, because editing of ICCA GPPs you can use it for lifetime. Thank you. If you have any other doubt, just post me or text me to my email. I can also help you with any other problems. Thank you.
Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to